Let's talk about the difference between coding and programming and why you should focus on programming instead of coding, especially with all the AI generation stuff that is coming out nowadays. So coding is fundamentally the act of writing instructions that the computer can execute. It focuses on syntax, language rules, and translating logical ideas into a language like Python, C++, or something similar. While programming, on the other hand, is broader. It's a process that involves analysis, designing solutions, creating algorithms, and planning how the system will work overall. It not only includes writing the code, but it also includes debugging, testing, and maintaining the system. So when AI generates code, it basically complies with the programming language's syntax. And this is still basically coding because the AI is outputting the code based on the patterns that it has learned. But now the thing is, effective software development and application development involves way more than writing code or code generation. Programming requires understanding the problem, choosing appropriate algorithms, and making good architectural decisions. So at the end of the day, AI can really assist you to code, but it cannot really replace human insight that is needed to building scalable, robust, and efficient systems. So while AI can help with the coding part, the programming process still relies heavily on human judgment and expertise. There are several cases of people vibe coding or using AI to build an entire app, getting people to pay for the app, and later on realizing that bad eggs or hackers have started going through the app, maxing out their API keys, and just basically riding their app with bugs until it's no longer usable and they are ultimately required to shut it down. They have no way of fixing those bugs, correcting those errors, securing their app because they have no programming language. They don't know how to code themselves. They don't understand how to build a software, how to debug a software. So basically how to prevent all the atrocities that can happen when you're building software. And it just keeps prompting the AI, and the AI just keeps doing what it is being told to. Because if you ask AI to build an app, it will build the app. It's not going to worry about security. It's not going to worry about best practices. It's not going to worry about finding the most efficient and optimal solution. It's just going to do what you told it, that is to build. Programmer worries about all that. A programmer thinks about what algorithm is the most suitable to have the fastest app possible. A programmer thinks about all the possible vulnerabilities before even launching or shipping the app. So as a developer, you think about all that, and AI doesn't care. AI just does what is being asked to. So if you're on the fence of learning how to code and you're scared about AI, you shouldn't be thinking about it from just the coding perspective. You have to think about it as a problem solver, a solution giver, so somebody who can architect a software and design a software from beginning to end till shipping it and maintaining it. So coding is a part of all that process. So if you're getting into coding right now, you're getting into coding so you can understand all of that. And it's still necessary for you to learn how to code by yourself because coding develops your computational thinking skills. It helps you break down problems into manageable parts, which is a skill that is highly valuable for a problem